got some stuff. Oh, you got a pen. Does it come with a case? It comes with a motherfucking case. It comes with a case. Guys, don't order a case. It comes with a case already. Alright guys, I am using the Samsung Galaxy S9 with its official clear case, and it fits smug, it fits good, it fits beautiful. But what have I over here? I have something all the way from eBay. So I wanted to share this with you. I wanted to show you what it's like having an official case versus some $5 case you get from eBay. Now let's see what the difference is. To be honest, it's actually pretty good. I don't really notice any difference between the official. I might actually get lost. Let's find out. Alright, this is, check it out. So the official one is a bit colored, or maybe that's the color from the Samsung. The unofficial one, check it out. There's no gap between these two. So this is a cheapo one. On the sides, you can see the profile. Button slightly bigger. This side, I say the button's slightly smaller. So let's see how it will fit. Wait, this is the good one. I got confused. This is the good one because it's slightly darker. This one actually feels really bad and harsh. This one also feels really bad and harsh. I'm trying to find differences, my friends. So far, I haven't. Okay, this one. Let's put it in, the cheap one, the cheapy one. It fits perfectly. Okay, there's no special case here. It does look maybe different. The holes, the buttons work. The buttons, you know what? This cheapy one is just as good. Hope you found this useful. I certainly have. Don't buy a frigging case. What is my Samsung doing? I'm out. Bye. Bye bye.